Though there's a chill in the air, there's warmth in my heart about what we're doing here today to bring these new, safe, reliable cars to the Washington Metro area. In June, a few years ago, we suffered a terrible accident in which passengers were killed, Metro workers were killed, and we said we wanted to bring about change, we wanted to bring about reform, we wanted to have a Metro that was safe and reliable for the people who ride on it and the people who work on it. And today, that promise has been kept with the delivery of these 4 railroad cars. This is a great day for the people of this area. And we get it because we all work together. I'd like to extend my greetings today to all the dignitaries here, particularly our wonderful ambassador from Japan, who graciously is here with us today, the political leadership, the governor, the county executives, and most of all, from my perspective, the Maryland delegation. But each and every one of us has worked together. We proved the point that as working where we did, each and every one of us makes a difference. But when we work together, we make change. We love the Metro. 700,000 people ride the Metro every day. 209 million people ride it annually. It is truly America's subway. People within the capital region ride it. Tourists who come from around the world ride it. And when they ride it, they need to know that it is safe. So the promises made on June 22nd are kept. But we did it because we work together. When the tragedy occurred, both the Maryland congressional delegation, our colleagues in Virginia, Congresswoman Norton sprang into action. We asked for congressional hearings. At those hearings that were hard-charging, and plain-speaking, we asked for reform. The executive branch came in. I asked for a congressional audit of what the problems were. Secretary LaHood, Peter Rogoff, sprang into action and gave us a blueprint. We turned to our colleagues at the National Transportation Safety Board and say, give us the best ideas and the best practices to make sure Metro would be safe. Deborah Hirschman, you and your great team did a fabulous job, and we need to give them a round of applause. I'm glad that the customer was involved in helping plan the car, but deep down in my heart, I want engineering solutions to the safety problem. And then out of it came the recommendations. And out of it came, and that terrible melancholy was something that not only creates safety, but creates jobs. When you look at these cars, this is a great strategic accomplishment. The best ideas, the best practicing, and the best engineering. America and Metro gave out the contract. Kawasaki, a great global icon, responded. Maintaining our wonderful strategic plan. But those cars were built in Lincoln, Nebraska by American workers doing an American job, using the best engineering practices from across the Pacific. And the brakes were made up of Jamestown, putting a couple hundred people to work together. And as long as Hagerstown's making the brakes, I'll be damn sure we never get brakes on this project. So friends, what we did here today by working together was make sure we ensure safety and we created jobs in our own country. We did it because across the aisle and across the dome, we worked together to put money in the federal checkbook. Senator Cardin and I in the Senate. He in the budget, I on appropriations. Our good friends, Stenny and Donna, led the charge in the House with the support of Elmer and our Virginia pals. So the Marine Corps has a saying, be best at what you're best at and be best at what you're needed for. So wishing to you, the men and women at the Metro, to the political leadership, the way the governor came in with the share and the other governor, the governor O'Malley led the way under our Secretary of Transportation. And And then once again, Team Maryland led the way for the Capital Region, just like we do when we're going to get the FBI headquarters.